All right, where'd those jobs go? Guess big government socialism didn't work so well, did it? That's the subject of the riff. Looks like President Trump and E.J. Antoni have been right all along. The BLS, Bureau of Labor Statistics, is broken. Now comes a 911,000 job loss revision for the past 12 months, ending in March of 2025, which is a preliminary estimate of the so-called revisions, benchmark revisions, for non-farm payrolls that'll probably go into effect this coming February. We thought jobs were rising at 146,000 per month. Turns out they were coming in only 71,000 per month. That is, 76,000 less than reported. This is March 24 to March 25, basically all under Joe Biden's watch. Actually, it's worse because the last two major benchmark revisions showed a 1.5 million job loss during those Biden years. Where'd those jobs go? Guess big government socialism didn't really work so well, did it? The BLS is the gang that can't shoot straight. Think of this. Total U.S. businesses are about 33 million, but the BLS only surveys 651,000, which is only about 2% of all businesses. And even this small sample produces only a 43% response rate. So actual businesses responding to it is 280,000. Get this, that's less than 1% of all businesses in the United States. Hat tip to the Committee to Unleash Prosperity. In other words, the BLS playing with a very thin deck of cards, and all this has to change. And so does the Federal Reserve have to change. They're saying they're data dependent, but the data is terrible. The Fed should have been cutting their target rate all spring and summer. Instead of 4.5%, they ought to be at 3% right now. Here's another point. Even the broken BLS numbers are showing that private payrolls have been flat for the past 3 months. Another reason the Fed should have been cutting rates. And one more. The Treasury yield curve has been upside down, with 3-month rates generally above 10-year rates. That's another sign of overly tight money. There's more. Lumber prices, they've been crashing. A signal the housing recession may be deepening. Another sign. Dr. Copper has been flat all year. The Fed should be looking at that too. You know, markets are smarter than the BLS. Now, this isn't a recession story. I mean, Q2 was up 3.3% annually. And the Atlanta Fed GDP tracker is showing 3% right now for Q3. Saving the economy is a boom in factory orders and business equipment, all responding to the Trump tax cuts. But the faster the IRS can get those tax-free tips and overtime in place, the better off the economy is going to be. Then maybe somebody will tell us about the real job story if they can. That's the riff. All right.